Airbus A321. It's going to take us just a moment to arrive at the gate, and we do ask you to please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Keep the aisles clear until we are parked and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, to check around your seating area, the overhead bins for items brought with you today. As always, use caution. Opening the overhead bins, items tend to shift during flight. At this time, the use of a cell phone nearby is now permitted. However, other electronics must remain off and stowed until we're at the gate. And should you have a connection, our arrival gate today is Terminal 1, Gate 12. If you need additional information regarding your connection, you can simply check with the agent greeting our flight, or you can log on to usairways.com from your mobile device. Welcome us here in the Los Angeles area on behalf of this flight crew. All of us here at US Airways, Starlines Network, would like to thank you for flying with us. Appreciate your business. Once again, thanks for choosing US Airways.